I am at a property, we're in Kansas City, Kansas, so KCK, that this property is going to be going up for sale. The provider has it under contract now, and this property could get sold as a turnkey lite or a turnkey. So they don't know the exact numbers. I will post those with this video once I know them to show you the difference between what a turnkey lite price and rents would go for versus a full turnkey. So we're going to tour the property, and knowing that it could go full turnkey, we are going to talk about it as if it were to go turnkey lite, because turnkey, you know what that's going to look like. That's going to be all brand new, everything full rehab, of which it is not currently, so I can't show that to you anyways. But if you were to buy this turnkey lite, what things would and would not be done as it stands right now. So we were just on the driveway. Let me hop down here and give you the front view of the property. So here's the street that it's on. I'll get the address and the neighborhood classification in just a second. Quiet street. Not sure if the sun's gonna mess it up. Cute front of the house. Got a garage. They just got this property, so there's nothing cleaned, nothing rehabbed. Show you the side. Here's your neighbor. All right, let's go inside. Knock, knock. Marco. Nobody's poloing. Just give you guys kind of a... It's actually got a pretty cool layout here. So from a turnkey lite perspective, all the closet doors they'll be functioning. Carpet will probably stay, just get cleaned. So it'll be in rentable condition. So we're talking turnkey lite.
Yeah.
What would that look like?
This one could go either way, really. As far as like turnkey lite, it would be like all the windows work, so we wouldn't update the windows. These have been updated at some point, not in the last couple of years, but probably back in the 90s or 2000s at some point. It's an updated window. It's not the original window to the house, but it's not updated vinyl siding window.
Yeah. This bathroom is cool.
Yeah, it's cool. It's got a lot of good stuff. Obviously, we'll clean up the tile.
Floor's good.
Yeah, we'll clean up the tile and resurface the tub and surround. So this is a property that somebody just moved out of. Everything works on it.
Vanity's in great shape.
Vanity is good. There's obviously some things that have to happen to make it, really rentable again, in my opinion. Obviously, it has to be cleaned. Some of the carpet's gonna have to be taken out or steam cleaned. Like, you'd be surprised at what a professional carpet cleaner can come in here and like actually get out. Not like the home remedy, like the pros get in here with their stuff. So we replace the closet doors. They're beat up. We'll paint some of the trim. Any of the doors that have holes in it or any of that, but for example, on a turnkey lite, we're gonna keep this tile, right? Clean it up real good. It's good tile. It'll work. We would, instead of and like this floor, we'll clean it up. Get the steam cleaners out here, clean it up. If that doesn't work, obviously we'll do something different. But if we're doing a full flip, MLS listing or
full turnkey,
like retail turnkey flip kind of deal, then yeah, we're gonna take up all this flooring, and we'll go down with hardwoods if that was the case, because there's hardwoods up underneath here.
Oh, okay. Refinish the originals.
Finish the original hardwoods.
Oh, all the cabinets are in great shape.
In great shape, and there's a lot of them. Ton of cabinets, yeah. Backsplash and all that's in pretty good shape too. So we'll do resurfacing in here. We're kind of debating on what what flooring, like all the finishes and all that. So obviously, as you were saying, that we're formulating our plan for this one.
Yeah.
So it can go either way. It can go kind of like more as is rental, or sort of turnkey light. Could be more that way.
Yeah.
Functional, clean, ready to go. Or it could be full out. So full on, we would take up all these carpets, redo the hardwoods, full interior paint and trim in every room, new doors everywhere, new lights everywhere. The toned down version of that is like these countertops, for example. We're not going to
Totally stay.
Yeah, the countertops will stay. They're good and solid. The color and finish, is it what I would do myself? Probably not, but again, it's functional, and somebody will come in here and rent it.
Yeah. And what we'll do with the videos, post the differences of turnkey light price and the projected rent, and the turnkey, so full rehab price and rent, and that way they can all, see what they're more comfortable with.
Yeah, like this one. Yeah, the lights aren't
Oh, it
on.
doesn't have any lights.
Yeah, the lights aren't on. I can give you some light here.
The walk-in shower actually looks pretty decent. Flooring's all in good shape. Walls look decent shape.
So really all the tiles and everything's in good shape. There's just it's a little dated on the finish. It's more of the earthy tone, where today everybody's going with more of this, jailhouse look is what I call it, with the whites and grays. But it's a little more earthy, and in this one, I mean, I'm starting to trend a little bit more back to earthiness. I don't like all the whites and grays personally. Now, I do what the market likes, and people like it, so that's what a lot of stuff we're still doing. But I'm starting to use a lot of matching my original wood trim to my wood floors. Original stuff on some of the older houses, whether we're doing an update or not. I think like the Mitchell house yesterday. If we full blown update that whole house for a finished retail high market sale, I'm still keeping all the original woodwork, doors, hardware, right? So keeping some original stuff where we can is trying to stay up with the times. I think the earthy tones are kind of coming back a little bit, especially wood and stuff like that. We're doing a lot of hardwoods, all white with black and wood.
Yeah. So like this one, to get it to rentable condition, like you guys would probably replace the blinds, just kind of clean up the tape up there.
Yeah, replace the blinds, or paint the ceiling.
Paint the ceiling.
And then in this case, we paint the trim so it has a uniform look with the color of the wall. So in this case, we would paint the trim.
And then kind of clean up the baseboard. So just, as we've talked about in some of these videos, like an as-is purchase would be getting it exactly in this condition, nothing changes. So what we're talking about is turnkey light, where they are doing the work to get it in good rentable condition, just not upgrading.
Rentable shape, just not taking out what's good and usable today to replace for cosmetic value appeal. I mean, that's
that was a really good phrase. Need to write that down.
Yeah, but that's really the difference. The countertop is a good example of something that, if we're doing a full-on flip sale for full value, then that's something that gets replaced.
Look at this adorable little skateboard. I wish I knew a kid. I would steal it.
So, and even the cabinets, you could argue you're doing a full flip where we replace the cabinets, countertop, and all that. But if the goal is to have a moderately priced cash flow rental that has some upside potential, then we really just need to keep this, because there's nothing wrong with it as far as functional.
Washer dryer. It's an odd place for a washer and dryer.
Yep. It needs a couple doors right there, but it's nice to have main floor laundry. A lot of the older homes were never built with full laundry facilities. And so the basement is where the default place for all the laundry is. And so it is nice to have a main floor laundry when you can.
Did they add this on, or it looks?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Pretty newish, or something up here is new. So this would just be kind of an extra lofty bedroom type of deal.
Yeah, loft, study, office, a kid's room.
This is cool.
Kind of a neat little bonus fourth bedroom, or extra room. But yeah, it's kind of it's a nice little extra bonus. not one of the third bedrooms. So 3 full bedrooms, 2 full bath, and then that bonus 4th bedroom, non-conforming 4th bedroom, or however you want to call it. We'll go down to the basement. So yeah, again, we have no lights, so we'll just do our best.
Nothing like walking into a scary dark basement. Can you shine your, yeah, with little stairs. Again, risking my life for you guys. As always. That's what I do.
Okay, so we're basement here. It's a good solid basement. I guess we'll go back here in the corner is electrical box. So some of the stuff is fortunate to have updates when we can already. It's a 100 amp electrical box with the grounded wire throughout. So the electrical's all been updated at some point.
That's
which
great.
Is great.
Oh, it's got a whole room back here. Watch your head.
Yeah, we've got drain lines here. A lot of our drain lines are PVC drain lines, so these have all been updated from. They were all original old steel drain lines. So we've got updated drains. We have copper supply lines, which that was updated at some point. They didn't put copper in originally in these age of homes. We've got a garage here. They've got had to redo the vapor barrier in here on the ceiling, but yeah, pretty good shape garage door. Like we have an open, exposed view of the foundation. We don't have leaning or bowing or cracking really of any kind, so we're happy about that. Over here, looks like we got a little water leak. It's the water meter's not even hooked up, so I don't know why that is, but it looks like the main's dripping a bit right there.
So you guys would fix that for Turnkey Light too?
Oh yeah, that has to be has to be fixed. The city will not be happy with you if you're running water without a meter. They will not. It'd be a dirty letter and an expensive bill. So yeah, I guess this is another section of the drain line here. This is one section where it's the original drain line, so like the cast iron, and the cast iron section here that goes into this would have to be the back bathroom. Yeah.
Let's see. Can you shine your light on what's this? Is this a good quote over here?
Secondary laundry. Oh, I don't know.
Or is this like a prediction of the next? I believe in being strong when things are wrong. I believe in pink. I believe that laughing is the best calorie burner. I believe in kissing. Not.
In kissing.
Is that like psych? I believe in kissing. Not. I believe that happy girls are the prettiest girls. Oh. Good daily motivation.
There we go.
Although I don't think she believes in kissing, I guess.
Not. She doesn't. This is another laundry down here. They have a laundry set up. This is like secondary laundry. I guess if they don't want to use it up there, they've got the laundry abilities to use it down here. It does have central heating and cooling. I mean, we don't. It looks like the A-coil and AC are actually a lot newer than the actual furnace, but this is just one of those things that once we close, take ownership, get utilities on, figure out what's what.
Yeah.
Usually, in any time that there's existing appliance utilities like furnaces, ACs, water heaters, whatever it might be, like we're gonna test those and run them first.
Okay.
And we'll, even if we're gonna upgrade those, we don't ever do it first. We do rehab first and then upgrade those at the end.
Yeah.
And make sure that the air duct stays clean as possible and all that good stuff.
Cool. It's a nice big house.
So yeah, this is a.
Wonder you don't off the top of your head know how many square feet it is, do you? It's pretty
square
big.
Footage, I don't want to guess. I mean, if I had to guess, I'm probably somewhere in the 1,200 range, 1,200 square feet.
Okay.
I'm definitely wrong, but that's probably close.
Is this also what's the address of this house?
This is 1727 Richmond.
1727 Richmond, and do you know much about this neighborhood in terms of?
Well, it's about a block from the one we were just at on Walker.
Yeah.
Across the street. So we're, I consider it a B neighborhood.
Okay.
I think 5-10 years ago, you probably would have considered it a C neighborhood.
Okay.
It's just had a lot of, just values have been changing. A lot of people have been redeveloping homes and stuff over here.
Yeah.
And it makes sense that this area is moving, just the location of it to the city and parallel parkway and being able to get on the highway. You have really good access. This is actually a state historic neighborhood.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, not that it really matters, but
Sounds
it's
fancy.
a designated state historic area in here.
Cool. Right on.
But yeah, it's got a cool play patio, parking from the back. It's got a lot going on with it.
Cool. And
alley
I'll
access.
post the turnkey light versus turnkey stuff with it.
The sort of the rental turnkey light versus full turnkey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah,
Thanks,
so-
Ben.
Cool. Yep.